4-berry blend smoothie. It tastes so nice, guys. You will love it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a 4-berry blend smoothie. Alright, 4-berry blend smoothie. So I have some frozen fruit here, strawberry, all the berries are right there. Whatever berries there are, they are right there in this pocket. I have a yogurt, I have an apple. This is the green one because I want a little tangy taste in it. I have some milk. Alright, so, and I have my bullet. So that's it. Nothing else but these. These are my ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. So before I start, remember to like, share all my videos. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this nice smoothie that I'm making up. Okay guys, and remember to share my videos. All right, so let's get right into the video. I'm gonna add the apple to the blender. So the green apple will give it a little tangy taste. Yes, and I didn't peel it. I deliberately did not peel it this time around. Alright, I'm gonna add my fruits. Alright, put this aside. And guys, the fruits are frozen this time because I want it to be a little bit thicker than the last one. The last one was too watery because of the melon. So the frozen, let me tell you, the more ice you use in a smoothie is the thicker it gets. So with the fruit frozen, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be thicker. Alright, so raspberry, blueberry and strawberry. That's it. Got it. Raspberry, blueberry and strawberry. Alright, put in some more raspberry. Alright, so yeah, the frozen, when the fruits are frozen, as I said before, the smoothie will be thicker. And I'm gonna add the yogurt. This one, as I said, is yogurt. You can choose to use any yogurt you prefer. Alright, that's the yogurt. And then I'm gonna add the milk. You can use any milk you prefer, organic, whole milk, whatever percent you want. I'm using 1% low-fat milk. I'm gonna cover this and I'm going to blend. Okay guys, this should be it. This should be it. Look at it. Look at it guys. This looks real good. It should taste good too. And I like the color. Wow. This is awesome. Awesome guys. Let me taste it. Perfect. Remember I said I want a little bit of tanginess. Yeah, so the green apple give it a little tanginess. So it's not sweet and it's not fresh, but it tastes real good. Real good guys, real good. Yeah, good for your entire family. Look at the beautiful color. If you're a lover of berry, You'll love this blend, and I think the children will love it. It's good for lunch, and you can have it for breakfast. So go right ahead and try this smoothie. You will love it. All right. So my ingredients are 4-berry blend, milk, yogurt, and a green apple. Go ahead and try this smoothie. You will love it. All right, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this nice smoothie. All right. So until my next video, bye.